Finally, after 1 hour travel, start na ng island hopping, guys. So kayo ang balod and nag-decide sila na mag stop over na lang 3 and then baktasan na lang ang 2 kilometers. So for the baktas ang person 2 kilometers.
Daming adventure, Ma'am Zane.
After 20 minutes walking, nabot ra jud mi. We're here, done with the photo ops. First part, guys. Wala siya na exclusive na mga resort. May camera ang tao. So nice. So we're now waiting for our lunch. Boodle fight. Look at the view, guys. So finally, andito na yung lunch.
Di ko na
So gutom na mga person.
Ay, sorry. Salamat po! Yay! O, di ka na. Ready na?
High tide na, yung kusuking balon. Kami sa Kailan na Tuan and then back to homestay. So, balik na sa palm boat. Nice. Ano kami? Rock formation. Okay, super high tide. So, photo ops na lang for 30 minutes. High tide. Dali namin nag-dock. And for photo ops na lang since majority mag-Basilan tomorrow. Tagalog. So, for pictorial na lang ni Daria, guys. Rock formation. This is the rock formation. Iba, wala sila nang na. The documentation na lang niya siya, guys. But nice yung tamaligo. High tide lang kayo. Sa pagbago.
Next!
Right. Ending, wala kang kaligutan. But it's all worth it. Wild ilang mga kabaw dari, guys. Mga baka. Okay guys, till next time. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.